Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8 and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. So at first let's open security, then click on security scan, click on OK to confirm all the settings, and then just wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, your device is being scanned. And as you can see, one risk have been found, and you can clean up some features to make sure that your device is secure. Just click on update if you would like to update the software. That would help with the first option, and then you can also clean up some space in your device by using cleaner. And that would be all. This is how you can perform a virus scan in your Xiaomi Redmi 8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.